clean well with alcohol. Okay, place the graphic just right above the rivets, centered, just eye it up. Like a piece of masking tape across the top of the graphic, going the whole length of the graphic. Fold the graphic up, back on the tape, and peel back the backing. Okay, with your squeegee ready, take the graphic, just pulling it tight, and just securing down lightly your one corner, and take the squeegee from the top to the bottom, going back and forth with a moderate amount of pressure, and just final it. And then peel up the tape, being careful at the edge when you're coming off the graphic. All done.